guys. A lot of you guys have been, don't matter about my hair, asking for a room tour because some of my shorts you see me in my room and some of my shorts you see me getting ready and you really want to see my room tour. So today's What's That video is about. So let's get into it. There's my room. I used to have like a big cross on it and stuff, but that fell off. I do Marty's room tour after he gets his room cleaned up. I have my Sincerely Yours makeup bag, and I just have random stuff in there, like papers and stuff, but let's get in there. Now we're gonna open the door. Voila! Okay, so on the back of my door, I have my soft basketball. And on the side of my door, I have where all my dirty socks and stuff go. And then over here, we have my little like dresser. I have a lot in my dresser, but yeah. Underneath, I kept it's my pop box. There's nothing in it. You might be like, Annabella, why'd you keep one? So my mom said that my mom said they can maybe get me a bedazzling kit. And I've seen people online bedazzle their like whole ping pong puff in the front and the letters here, and it looks so freaking cute. And my mom and dad think that is such a good idea. And they want to get it for me, so I already got one picked out, and I'm obviously going to do a video on it, so that's what I'm there for. I have a stool underneath because I am kind of short, not going to lie. And with my dresser, I have my journal, my book, a little old school game thing, my book, my Pop-It, my little thing I got from 2023. I still have it. My icon is Jesus. My little jewelry box not jewelry box, but jewelry pop that Marty actually made for me. Then we have my little jewelry box. I'm not gonna open that though. My 3 little pens, a highlighter, and my books. Oh, my gummy bear squishy fell over. Neato. It's a Neato dupe. All my books are in there. My photo book. I have a lot of photos in here. But yeah, more books. And then here's my couch. If you guys don't know, it's actually kind of snowing out. Crazy. But here's my couch. It actually can turn into a bed, but I'm not going to do that right now. Here it is. There it is. So like, yeah, you know. My couch, I don't know if I showed you guys this already, but I'm going to do it again. My tablet. I don't know why my video's playing, but we have some artwork I did. Like this one says Bella, Roblox, and Garfield. It says Gigi, Slay Queen, Cute, Slut, 5-star, and Diva. And then right over here is my bed. I absolutely love my bed. I kind of made it a little quick today because I didn't have that much time. And then right there's a view. If you guys asking how many windows do you have in your room, I have 1, 2, 3 windows. I'm the one that has like the most windows. So my bedroom has like upstairs has the most windows. My carpet, But yeah, I have this cute little pug thing. I know it's Valentine's Day theme and it already passed, but it's so cute. Johnny, I'm filming, so. And in this picture, my mom got me. Not in my room, I said your guys' room, like Marty's room. I'm doing a room tour, so. Can I speak? To finish, but But yeah, anyways, Johnny, no. Go in Marty's room really quick, okay? Sorry about that, but then over here, we have my trash can, my dresser. I have a little basket full of stuff, and then I have my cart. This one has art supplies, stickers and stuff, tab of squishies, and like more art supplies. This is my dark diaries, and sorry about the background noise. I love it so much. So cute. I love it. And then my only nail polish is because the other ones were bad. My beads. And then over here is my vanity. My vanity is in fact messy, but I used to do nails, so that's why. I have a bunch of stuff here. I'm thinking when I get my bedazzling kit to bedazzle my raspberry mint fragrance body mist, Hello Days. Because I think it's absolutely so good. It smells like so good. I kind of like to spray it sometimes. It's smells so good though. I love the scent. Hairbrushes. Now it's time for closet. So in my closet, I have my New York City hat. I have this little thing that has bows on it. And then my closet isn't the cleanest. I still have to put these up. But my pants, I have all my stuff. I have my rig light. I have my sports bras and ping pong puff and bags and all that stuff. It's really fun. There is a room tour. Let me know if you want any more video ideas down below. So I'm going to go now. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.